Hi guys, welcome to Shawnee's Ultimate Reviews. Today I'm going to be reviewing a DNA kit from ancestry.com. $85 it cost me, Australian. We'll open it up and we'll see what we get. I'm pretty sure I'm Pommy and Irish. I'm not sure the percentage of what. My mum's born in Australia, my dad's born in New Zealand, but before that, I know it's either England or Ireland, a bit of both. Okay, first you get a form, and first thing you got to do is register your kit using the QR code. And you also got to collect your saliva, mail your sample, then they'll send you the results back. So it's not much to it really. It's all pretty self-explanatory. Open it up, it says pull to open. Holy shit, look at that. That's pretty, it looks like a pretty professional outfit. And you got a hazardous bag. Obviously what you got to send it in. And your kit. Not much to it at all. First of all, we've got to open the AncestryDNA pack. You get your test tube, you put your DNA in, and whatever this stuff is, it's like a COVID kit. Some blue stuff. Fill the tube with saliva to the black wavery line. Far out. How much spit do they think I've got? Oh, it's got like a little cap inside it, so probably oh shit. Probably looks worse than what it is. First I got to spit in the tube. Alright. I filled it up way past the line because mine was filled with bubbles. They said don't do bubbles, so when it settles down it'll probably be pretty good. Take that off. Now you got to screw this little thing on. Tight. And shake it for 5 seconds. Yep, they said when it turns blue, you know it's worked, so mine's worked. Seal it up. And place your sample in a prepaid mailing box, seal the box with the adhesive strip, and mail it in. On the 29th of October, I registered my DNA kit, I completed the DNA kit, and I posted it off all in the same day. The same day I got this message from Ancestry.com, just letting me know it can take up to 6 weeks for everything to get processed. On the 12th of November, I received another email that my sample has been received and placed in the queue to get processed. So far the whole journey's only taken about 2 weeks and I'm quite impressed with how everything is going. 3 days later, on the 15th of November, I received an email that my sample was now being processed and has another 4 weeks to get the final results. I'm actually quite excited now, like it's going really quick. 2 days later, on the 17th of November, and it's actually reached the next stage where they're extracting the DNA out of the sample so they can analyse it. This is quite a complicated process that involves a lot of scientific things being done to it. It's the 23rd of November and it's nearly up to the final stage. They've isolated my DNA and now they're in the process of analysing it. What they are looking for is a collection of DNA markers, DNA sequences that show up in certain places in your genetic code. They use their customary AncestryDNA microarray, scan your DNA to detect hundreds of thousands of these DNA markers at once. So the next stage will be my results. Now it's getting exciting. It's the 24th of November and my results are finally in. So now I've got to log into ancestry.com and find out. This is actually really exciting. I was actually more excited than I thought I would be, so yeah, I'll come back to you in a sec with my results. Okay, got my results back and it's totally different to what I thought. 47% from Scotland, 42% from England and Northwestern Europe. I'm 8% from Ireland and I'm 3% from Wales, which I never knew. So yeah, that's quite interesting. Here's a little map they provide you of the area you're from. Quite interesting. Here's another map that shows my journey of my ancestors, and it's pretty much shows you parts of Australia and New Zealand. It's pretty much spot on. There's so much more that you can do on ancestry.com, but I'll let you guys explore. Just like to say thank you for watching my channel, and please subscribe, and wishing everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. See yous all soon.